war of words and no holds barred attack by the opposition over mismanagement at the Mahakumbh. Another report reveals a rather worrying aspect which has found little focus till now. A new report by the Central Pollution Control Board, which it submitted to the NGT, states that the Ganges river water at Prayagraj fails to meet the bathing standards. The startling report states that the water is severely contaminated due to high fecal coliform, primarily caused by human waste and sewage discharge, making it a health hazard for the crores of devotees who have flocked to the largest congregation on earth. The report submitted on February 3rd, which has come to light now, points out certain non-compliances or violations by the UPPCB, but the specific violations have not come out in public. The Green Tribunal, in response, has now summoned the Uttar Pradesh pollution control officials tomorrow, February 19th, after stating that there has been lack of substantive data reported by State Pollution Control Board.
Right now, the matter is listed on 19th of February only, and where the court has called for the, where court has summoned the UP Pollution Control Board and asked them that what they have done to prohibit all these things, to stop the contamination. But at the same time, my point is not this. My point is that when the government is saying it's that this occasion is coming after 144 years, so why the persons are being basically forced to take bath on the of the water which is a highly contaminated one, and why the state authorities has failed to basically prohibit this contamination.
उस रिपोर्ट में वो बताया गया है कि जो पानी है वो कंटामिनेटेड है और फीकल मैटर से कंटामिनेटेड है। इसका ये मतलब है कि जो सैनिटाइजेशन वहाँ पे होनी चाहिए, सैनिटरी की जितनी तैयारी होनी चाहिए वो उतनी नहीं है, और कहीं जो हमारे जो फीकस में जो स्टूल में जो हमारे बैक्टीरिया है वो पानी में पहुंच रहे हैं, तो वो इसीलिए ना कंजम्पशन के लिए ठीक है और ना वो नहाने के लिए ठीक है। उससे बहुत सारी वाटर बॉर्न डिजीज़ हो सकती हैं, स्किन की डिजीज़ भी हो सकती हैं, और जो डिजीज़ हैं जैसे कि लूज मोशंस हो सकते हैं, डायरियल डिजीज़ हो सकती है, वॉमिटिंग हो सकती है, टाइफाइड टाइप की, कॉलरा हो सकता है।